at the Papa Vin's Kitchens and here is my mom! Ciao mami, come stai?
Ciao, molto bene.
Molto bene! E oggi, today, we're gonna make one of our favorite recipes. It only takes 30 minutes, it's real quick. We're gonna make red snapper fillet, or you can use any other fish, and we're gonna make it al cartoccio. Questo è una ricetta che a te piace tanto, vero mami?
Sì, moltissimo.
Allora dimmi che dobbiamo usare. Tell me the ingredients.
Ok, allora incominciamo. Filetto di pesce,
We're gonna use the red snapper fillet.
filetto di pesce, peperoni gialli e rossi,
Ecco, bell peppers, yellow
rossi,
and
patate,
red,
le patate,
potatoes,
e la cipolla,
onions,
l'aglio,
l'aglio, garlic,
il prezzemolo
parsley, Italian parsley.
e olio.
Ah, il più bello di tutto, no
Il
mami?
più bello e più buono.
Papa Vin's! Oh mami,
Più
ma
salutare.
è più mami, ti sei scordato. Dobbiamo mettere questo al limone.
L'olio oppure il limone è molto buono. per fare
Molto buono. Yes, we make this oil by pressing the lemons and the olive oil together. And oh boy, get ready for this fish. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna peel the potatoes. And I'm telling you, this is super easy with Papa Vin's peeler. This thing is very sharp, okay? And all you have to do is do this. You see? Do this. And then the nice thing about this peeler is that you can go on both directions. So you can go like this, you can go like this. And as you get better and better at it, it's just really nice peeler. I love it. It's nice and sharp. So make sure, you don't let kids use it. But then, here we are. You see, really quick. I can really get rid of all the peel, and look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Now what happens is, when you have potatoes, sometimes it happens that you have these little sections, that are kind of nasty, that you don't want it to be there. You see like that black section? So you see this little thing in here? You just go like this. And that's it. And it's out. You see that? You don't want that. That is out. And perfect. So here is your potato ready to go. Okay. So now my mom is gonna show you how she wants it cut. She wants it cut in this shape. And there is reasons for that, because it kind of cooked with the fish in a good speed. So by the time the fish is cooked, the potatoes are cooked too. So there she is doing
si taglia così per lungo.
Ecco, si taglia per lungo. You cut it on the long side. You see that?
Così si cucina più presto
That way it cooks faster.
e si vede più bella.
And it looks nice. Okay, next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a bell pepper. You see here? We're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna take the center out, and then we're gonna slice it in this particular way. This is how my mom likes it.
Ok, si taglia così per lungo, così
we're
si
gonna cut
cucina meglio.
The long way, because it cooks better,
Che sembra así come strisciette.
and it looks pretty, like little, slices.
E così si fa tutto.
Next, we're gonna get this onion, we're gonna clean it obviously, we're gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna slice it like Nonna says. Come on, Mom!
Ok, questa la cipolla si taglia così. Così si sente quando ci sta mangiando col pesce. Così.
It makes a
E la
difference when
forma,
you cut it like
la
that.
forma così, mettere così.
And that's the shape that she wants, and it gives a nice flavor to the fish. Okay, next step, we are going to make garlic puree, garlic paste. That's the right word. Okay, this is one of the most frustrating things, but if you get Papa Vin's peeler, all you have to do is go like this, and because this is a plastic unit, what happens is you don't get cut, and it makes the most wonderful puree. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Next, we're going to chop the parsley. Corta, corta il prezzemolo, mami.
Incominciamo così.
Hai visto come lo corta? Can you see how she cuts it?
Piccolino, piccolino. E così finisce tutto.
Okay, 1 second. What we did is here, we put the parsley and we put the garlic paste. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some sea salt.
Un pochino di sale. Ok.
To taste. We're gonna put some pepper.
E un poco di pepe.
Okay, mommy. I put it. She doesn't know how to use this thing. It's too modern for her. So we're just gonna go like this. ¿Cuánto quiere?
Un pochino.
¿Cuánto
Bene
vuoi?
così.
Ya
Bene
está.
così. Ok.
E dopo ci mettiamo l'olio al limone.
L'olio al limone.
We're gonna put some lemon olive oil, which is absolutely delicious. It's gonna be about half a cup, a cup. I mean, we don't measure. Tu non misuri, vero, mami?
No, io lo faccio tutto ad occhio.
Tutto a occhio. We do everything by eye. And then you wanna put some classic? Vuoi mettere un po' di classica?
Sì, metti pure un poco.
Ok, mettiamo un po' di classica. Ah, boy, that smells good.
Ok.
Great! We're getting there, we're getting there. Okay, so we put everything we got here. And now what we like to do, and this is extremely important. You see, we put here the garlic and the parsley and the olive oil, everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take part of this. My mom likes to put half and she leaves a little bit. And we're gonna mix it. I like to mix it with my hands. I just like to mix it with my hands. And then you see what happens is, you know, the vegetables, they start absorbing all the flavor. No, mami? Incominciano a assorbere tutti i sapori. Next step, put your fillets in a little container and then mix it with the other half of the parsley and lemon and classic extra virgin olive oil. This part, mommy, put more.
Tutto?
Mette tutto, tutto.
Ok.
This part is very important.
Ok.
Okay, because you want, you know, for the fish to really, you know, get the flavors of the garlic and the parsley and everything. Okay, there we are. Okay, so this is the final part. Make sure you get the wax paper and it's big enough, and then you get your fish to try and you put it right here, and then mommy, fai. Mettela al rovescio. Okay, she likes it like that. Okay,
Così,
and
allora
then
mettiamo così.
we're gonna put the vegetables like that.
Un pochino di peperoni, un
A
poco di
little bit of
patate.
everything.
Cipolla.
Ooh, boy, looks good.
Così e lo chiudiamo ora.
And now we're gonna close it.
Ok. Così si chiude. Così. Così e si mette sulla...
Vai là. Hey, we're ready to go to the forno, pesce al forno. Okay, here. Ooh. We preheated the oven to 350, and we're gonna put it in, and we're gonna put the kitchen timer for 40 minutes. Mamma! She's eating the food. Mamma, tu sei in premura!
Ma che buono!
È buonissimo, ma non ti
ma c'ho
scordare...
tanta fame!
Mami, non ti scordare da mettere questo!
No, mettiamo
Ci dobbiamo mettere un po' sopra, dai, metteci
Ok,
sopra!
mettiamo
Just put a little
subito, ok.
bit. Lemon olive oil, right on top, just at the very end.
Ora
Ma tu ti prendi tutto,
Ora
ah!
metterò tutto.
Io ce lo metto ora!
E io comincio a mangiare.
Oh boy!
Troppo gustoso, buonissimo.
Ah, I
Buon
can't
appetito!
wait. Ah.
Ciao!